today I will talk about how can you enable advanced notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next CPU. You click here on notifications, just click on it. So then you come to this list here, click here on copy trader. You just click on it. You come to next CPU. You come here to advanced, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's me here advanced notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.